Hi Liam.
Hi mommy.
Today we are going to do sticking of sounds. Sticking of
Sound.
Okay, here we have sounds. We start with sound. Sound A for
Apple.
we have sound.
Boo.
Sound B for
Ball.
we have sound.
Good.
C for
Cat.
we have sound.
Do.
D for
Dog.
we have sound.
A.
E for
Egg.
we have sound.
Fish.
We have sound.
Goo.
So we are going to take some glue. We have the glue here. You use your finger. Put some glue at the back of the sound.
Apply.
Yes, apply slowly. Then you stick here. You're going to stick sound. Sound Then you take sound.
Boo.
Sound boo. You take some glue with your finger. Apply at the back slowly. Then you stick sound.
Boo.
When you stick, Liam, you stick like this. You do like
This.
so that it sticks. Then you, with your finger, you take some glue. Apply on sound. Ku for
Cat.
yes. You stick. Stick. Make sure it is sticking. Then you take sound. Sound. You take sound. That is sound. This is sound. Do for
Dog.
okay. Put some glue on your finger. Apply. Take some more glue, Liam. Take more glue. Apply and stick sound. Do here. Make sure it is sticking. Yes. Take sound.
Now.
That is sound.
A.
A for
Egg.
okay. Put some glue at the back of sound A. Put more glue at the back of yes. Apply. Then stick here.
It's stick here.
Yeah. Make sure it is sticking. Yes. Take sound. Fu for
Fish.
put some glue on your finger and stick on sound fu. Put more glue, stick. Then you stick sound fu here. Good job. Make sure it is sticking. Do like this to make sure it is sticking. Yes. Take sound. Gu is for
Good.
yes. Put some glue at the back of sound gu. Yes. Apply more glue. Yes. And you stick on the paper. That is sound.
Good.
Okay, we are going to repeat the sounds. This is sound.
Sound.
A is for
Apple.
A is for
Apple.
sound.
Boo for ball.
Sound.
Good for cat.
Sound.
D for dog.
Sound.
F for egg.
Sound.
F for fish.
Sound.
G for goose.
Okay, thank you.